Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. From your phone to your fridge, from TikTok filters to tools that write essays. It's helping doctors diagnose illnesses and letting artists generate images with just one sentence. But what is AI really? Is it a brain, a robot, a magic box? Let's break it down. No jargon, no hype, just clear answers and what you actually need to know. At its simplest, artificial intelligence means machines that can do things we usually associate with human thinking, like learning, problem solving, or recognizing patterns. But here's the truth. AI doesn't think like we do. It analyzes data and makes predictions based on patterns. Think of it like a super fast student with perfect memory. It doesn't have intuition, but with enough examples, it can do specific tasks very, very well. Imagine teaching a child to recognize cats. You show them pictures and say, "This is a cat." After enough photos, they learn to spot a cat, even new ones they haven't seen before. That's how human learning works. AI learns in a similar way by analyzing lots of data, like millions of cat pictures and spotting patterns. This process is called training. Unlike humans though, AI doesn't understand what a cat actually is. It just recognizes visual patterns that match what it's been trained on. That's why it can struggle if the image is blurry, upside down, or just weird. You already use AI every day, maybe without even noticing. Voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant recognize speech and respond. Streaming apps recommend movies or songs based on what you like or skip. Navigation tools like Google Maps analyze traffic from other phones to suggest faster routes. Email filters sort junk from real messages using pattern recognition. Photo filters and Face ID use AI to detect faces and apply effects in real time. From your inbox to your road trip, AI is quietly working behind the scenes. So how does AI learn all this stuff? Through training on massive amounts of data. Modern AI systems are trained on billions of examples, like all the text on the internet, or millions of labeled images. This training process can take weeks on specialized computers and consume as much electricity as a small town. That's why the biggest AI models, like ChatGPT or image generators, are created by companies with huge resources. There are different types of AI, but let's keep it simple. Most of the AI you see today is narrow AI, systems designed to do one task really well, like translating languages or recommending movies. General AI would be a system that can think and reason across many areas, like a human. But we're not there yet. You might also hear terms like machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is when AI improves through experience. Deep learning is a powerful kind of machine learning that mimics brain-like structures, helping AI spot patterns in massive data sets like faces or voices. AI can be smart, but it's not wise. It doesn't understand emotions, morality, or context the way people do. It doesn't think, it just predicts based on what it's seen before. When ChatGPT writes something touching or profound, it's predicting what words should come next, not feeling those emotions itself. AI also makes mistakes, often in ways humans wouldn't. It might confidently provide incorrect information or fail to recognize objects in unusual contexts. AI can't feel. It can't truly understand. When in doubt, verify what AI tells you with reliable sources, especially for important information. AI is powerful and growing fast. It can help solve massive problems, but it can also be misused or biased. So who controls it? Who's responsible when it fails? That's why understanding AI matters. If we use it mindfully, we can shape it to work for people, not against them. Now, you know what AI really is and isn't. Next, we'll dive deeper. How do you choose which AI tools to trust and use? Subscribe, join our mindful tech community, and keep exploring AI with intention.